Deep in the Australian bush, a master of disguise awaits. This is the tawny frogmouth, a bird that looks more like a branch than a feathered friend. With its mottled brown plumage and piercing yellow eyes, it blends seamlessly into the eucalyptus trees it calls home. The tawny frogmouth is a true marvel of camouflage. It can sit perfectly still for hours, mimicking the texture and color of its surroundings. This remarkable adaptation makes it nearly invisible to unsuspecting prey. But don't be fooled by its sleepy appearance. The tawny frogmouth is a skilled predator, waiting patiently for the cover of darkness to hunt. Join us as we journey into the secret life of this fascinating creature, uncovering the mysteries behind its unique appearance, nocturnal habits, and remarkable ability to thrive in the Australian wilderness. The tawny frogmouth is endemic to Australia, meaning it is found nowhere else in the world. These fascinating birds are widespread across the continent, inhabiting a variety of habitats from dense forests to open woodlands. They are particularly fond of eucalyptus woodlands, where they can easily blend in with the bark of the trees. Look up, you might spot a tawny frogmouth perched high up in a tree, its body perfectly still. They are often found near human settlements, making their home in parks, gardens, and even suburban backyards. Tawny frogmouths are not particularly vocal birds, but they do have a distinctive, low-pitched call that is often heard at night. This eerie, booming sound has earned them the nickname mopokis in some parts of Australia. The tawny frogmouth's most striking feature is undoubtedly its incredible camouflage. Their plumage is a mottled blend of browns, greys and blacks, perfectly mimicking the bark of eucalyptus trees. When perched on a branch, they elongate their bodies and close their eyes to a narrow slit, becoming almost indistinguishable from their surroundings. This remarkable camouflage serves two main purposes. Firstly, it allows the tawny frogmouth to ambush unsuspecting prey. By remaining perfectly still, they can catch insects and small animals off guard. Secondly, their camouflage provides protection from predators. When threatened, the tawny frogmouth will freeze, relying on its disguise to blend in with the surrounding branches. As the sun sets and darkness descends, the tawny frogmouth awakens from its daytime slumber. These fascinating birds are nocturnal, meaning they are most active at night. Under the cover of darkness, they leave their roosts to hunt for food. Their large, forward-facing eyes are perfectly adapted for low-light conditions, allowing them to spot prey with incredible accuracy. They are also equipped with exceptional hearing, which helps them locate insects and small animals moving in the undergrowth. Tawny frogmouths are sit-and-wait predators. They perch patiently on a branch, scanning their surroundings for movement. Once they spot their prey, they swiftly swoop down, snatching it up with their powerful beaks. Section 5. A menu of creepy crawlies. The tawny frogmouth's diet consists mainly of insects and other invertebrates. They are particularly fond of moths, beetles and spiders, which they catch on the ground or in mid-air. They also occasionally eat small vertebrates such as mice, lizards and frogs. Their hunting methods are as varied as their diet. They may glean insects from leaves and branches, snatch them from the air in mid-flight, or pounce on them on the ground. Their strong, hooked beaks are perfectly adapted for grabbing and crushing their prey. After catching their prey, tawny frogmouths will often return to their perch to consume their meal. They swallow their food whole, and any indigestible parts, such as bones and insect exoskeletons, are regurgitated as pellets. Section 6. Family life and nesting habits. Tawny frogmouths are monogamous birds, forming strong pair bonds that can last for several years. They are highly territorial, defending their nesting sites from rivals. During the breeding season, which typically occurs in spring and summer, pairs will engage in elaborate courtship displays. These displays involve bowing, wing waving, and mutual preening. Once a pair has mated, they work together to build a nest. Their nests are simple platforms of twigs and leaves, usually constructed in the fork of a tree. Unlike most birds, tawny frogmouths do not build elaborate nests. They prefer to keep their nests simple and well camouflaged, blending in with the surrounding branches. Section 7. Raising a family from eggs to fledglings. The female tawny frogmouth typically lays a clutch of 2 to 3 eggs, which are incubated by both parents for about a month. The eggs are white and oval-shaped, and they hatch into helpless downy chicks. Both parents share the responsibility of caring for their young. They take turns brooding the chicks, keeping them warm and protected. They also regurgitate food for their offspring, providing them with a nutritious diet of partially digested insects and other small creatures. The chicks grow rapidly, and within a few weeks, they are ready to leave the nest. However, they remain dependent on their parents for food and guidance for several months after fledging, learning essential survival skills from their experienced elders. Section 8. Conservation status. Protecting the tawny frogmouth. Fortunately, the tawny frogmouth is not currently considered to be a threatened species. They are relatively common throughout their range and adapt well to living in close proximity to humans. However, like many native Australian animals, they do face some threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation and land clearing for agriculture is a concern. They are also vulnerable to predation by introduced species such as cats and foxes. Conservation efforts are underway to protect tawny frogmouths and their habitat. This includes raising awareness about the importance of preserving native vegetation and controlling feral animal populations. Section 9. The enduring allure of the tawny frogmouth. The tawny frogmouth is a truly remarkable bird. Its incredible camouflage, nocturnal habits, and unique appearance make it one of Australia's most fascinating creatures. Despite their widespread distribution, these enigmatic birds still hold an air of mystery. Their haunting calls echoing through the night, their ability to disappear into their surroundings, and their unwavering commitment to family make them a captivating subject for nature enthusiasts and casual observers alike. As we continue to learn more about this remarkable species, we can only marvel at its ability to thrive in the Australian wilderness and appreciate its important role in the ecosystem. As we wrap up our journey into the world of the tawny frogmouth, let's take a closer look at the environments they call home. These birds are most commonly found in a variety of wooded habitats across Australia, ranging from dense forests and woodlands to suburban gardens and parklands. Eucalyptus trees in particular are a favourite haunt for the tawny frogmouth. These trees provide ample cover and camouflage, allowing the birds to blend seamlessly into the bark and branches. In these habitats, the tawny frogmouth's unique adaptations come into play. Their mottled plumage mimics the texture and colour of tree bark, making them nearly invisible to both predators and prey. During the day, they perch motionless on low branches or stumps, relying on their exceptional camouflage to stay hidden. The diverse plant life in these environments also supports a rich array of insects and small animals, providing a bountiful food supply for the tawny frogmouth. As nocturnal hunters, they emerge at dusk to take advantage of the abundant prey, using their keen eyesight and silent flight to capture insects, spiders, and even small vertebrates. Moreover, these habitats offer ideal nesting sites. Tawny frogmouths prefer to build their nests in the forks of tree branches using sticks and leaves to create a sturdy platform. The surrounding foliage provides additional protection and concealment for their eggs and chicks. By thriving in such varied environments, the tawny frogmouth demonstrates an extraordinary adaptability and resilience. Their ability to seamlessly integrate into both natural and urban landscapes highlights their importance in maintaining ecological balance. As we continue to protect and preserve these habitats, we ensure the survival of this remarkable species for generations to come. Join us next time as we explore more wonders of the natural world. Until then, keep an eye out for the enchanting tawny frogmouth in your own backyard. As we delve deeper into the fascinating world of the tawny frogmouth, let's take a closer look at their diet and hunting techniques. These nocturnal hunters are masters of stealth and precision, relying on their keen senses to capture a diverse array of prey. Tawny frogmouths primarily feed on insects such as beetles, moths, and grasshoppers, which they locate using their exceptional night vision. Their large, forward-facing eyes provide excellent depth perception, allowing them to accurately judge distances and strike with pinpoint accuracy. In addition to insects, they also consume spiders, snails, and small vertebrates, including frogs, lizards, and even small mammals. One of the most intriguing aspects of their hunting behavior is their use of a sit-and-wait strategy. Rather than actively pursuing their prey, tawny frogmouths perch motionless on a low branch or stump, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. This camouflage allows them to remain undetected by both predators and prey. When an unsuspecting insect or small animal ventures too close, the tawny frogmouth launches a swift and silent attack, snapping up its meal with a quick, precise movement. Their beaks play a crucial role in their feeding habits. Unlike owls, which have sharp talons for capturing prey, tawny frogmouths have wide, strong beaks designed for crushing and swallowing their food whole. This adaptation allows them to efficiently consume a variety of prey, from hard-shelled beetles to slippery amphibians. Interestingly, tawny frogmouths also exhibit a behavior known as hawking, where they fly out from their perch to catch insects in mid-air. This agile maneuver showcases their impressive flight skills and further expands their dietary options. Another fascinating feeding habit is their ability to store food in a special pouch located at the back of their throat. This adaptation allows them to capture multiple prey items in quick succession and consume them at their leisure. It's a particularly useful trait during the breeding season when they need to provide a steady food supply for their chicks. By understanding the tawny frogmouth's hunting techniques and dietary preferences, we gain a deeper appreciation for their role in the ecosystem. These remarkable birds help control insect populations and contribute to the balance of their habitats. Join us next time as we continue to uncover the wonders of the natural world. Until then, keep an eye out for the tawny frogmouth's stealthy presence during your evening strolls. As we wrap up our exploration of the tawny frogmouth, it's essential to understand their significant role in the ecosystem. These birds are not just fascinating hunters, but also crucial players in maintaining ecological balance. By preying on a wide variety of insects, spiders, and small vertebrates, tawny frogmouths help control the populations of these species. This natural pest control is particularly beneficial for farmers and gardeners as it reduces the need for chemical pesticides, promoting a healthier environment. The tawny frogmouth's interactions with other species also highlight their importance in the food web. As both predator and prey, they contribute to the biodiversity of their habitats. Their presence supports a dynamic ecosystem where each species plays a part in sustaining the whole. For instance, as prey for larger birds of prey and mammals, tawny frogmouths provide a vital food source, aiding in the survival of these predators. Moreover, their nesting and roosting habits influence the structure of their habitats. By choosing specific trees and locations for their nests, they help shape the vegetation patterns and contribute to the health of the forest. Their droppings also act as natural fertilizers, enriching the soil and promoting plant growth. In essence, the tawny frogmouth is a keystone species, integral to the stability and health of their environment. Their presence ensures the balance of various species and supports the overall functioning of the ecosystem. As we continue to learn more about these remarkable birds, we gain a deeper appreciation for their role in nature. The next time you spot a tawny frogmouth blending into the background, remember their vital contributions to the world around us. Let's cherish and protect these incredible creatures for future generations to admire and learn from. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of the tawny frogmouth. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the wonders of the natural world. As we delve deeper into the world of the tawny frogmouth, it's crucial to highlight the ongoing conservation efforts dedicated to protecting these remarkable birds. Despite their adaptability, tawny frogmouths face several challenges that threaten their survival. One of the primary threats is habitat loss due to deforestation and urban development. As their natural habitats are destroyed, tawny frogmouths struggle to find suitable nesting sites and hunting grounds. Additionally, the use of pesticides and rodenticides poses a significant risk, as these chemicals can contaminate their food sources and lead to poisoning. To combat these threats, various conservation organizations and wildlife enthusiasts are working tirelessly to safeguard the tawny frogmouth's future. Efforts include habitat restoration projects, where native trees and plants are reintroduced to create a conducive environment for these birds. By preserving and expanding their natural habitats, we can provide tawny frogmouths with the space they need to thrive. Public awareness campaigns also play a vital role in conservation. Educating communities about the importance of tawny frogmouths and the dangers they face helps garner support for protective measures. Simple actions, such as reducing pesticide use and preserving old trees, can make a significant difference in their survival. Moreover, wildlife rescue and rehabilitation centres are crucial in aiding injured or orphaned tawny frogmouths. These centres provide medical care and a safe environment for recovery, ensuring that these birds can be released back into the wild. Conservationists are also advocating for stronger legal protections to safeguard the tawny frogmouth's habitats. By working with governments and policymakers, they aim to implement regulations that limit deforestation and promote sustainable land use practices. It's a collective effort, and every action counts in ensuring the tawny frogmouth's survival. As we continue to support these conservation initiatives, we contribute to the preservation of not just the tawny frogmouth, but the entire ecosystem they inhabit. Let's join hands in protecting these incredible birds and the natural world they call home. Together we can make a difference and ensure that future generations can marvel at the beauty and resilience of the tawny frogmouth. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the wonders of the natural world. While scientific facts and conservation efforts are vital, the true magic of the tawny frogmouth comes alive through personal stories and encounters. Many people who have had the privilege of observing these birds in the wild share unforgettable experiences that highlight the unique charm of the tawny frogmouth. One avid birdwatcher recalls a serene evening in the Australian outback. As the sun dipped below the horizon, he heard the distinctive soft oom call of a tawny frogmouth. Following the sound, he found a pair perched on a low branch, perfectly camouflaged against the tree bark. He watched in awe as they communicated with each other through gentle coos, their wide eyes reflecting the fading light. It was a moment of pure connection with nature, one that he treasures to this day. Another tale comes from a family who discovered a tawny frogmouth nesting in their backyard. They observed the parents diligently taking turns incubating the eggs and later feeding the fledglings. The family felt honored to witness the entire nesting process from eggs to fledglings. They even named the young birds, feeling a deep sense of responsibility and pride in their small role in the tawny frogmouth's life cycle. A wildlife photographer shares an encounter that left a lasting impression. While on a nighttime photography expedition, he stumbled upon a tawny frogmouth hunting. He captured stunning images of the bird swooping down to catch insects, its movements almost ghostly in the moonlight. The photographer describes the experience as otherworldly, a rare glimpse into the nocturnal life of this elusive bird. These personal stories and anecdotes not only enrich our understanding of the tawny frogmouth, but also inspire a deeper appreciation for their presence in our ecosystems. Each encounter, whether quiet and contemplative or thrilling and unexpected, underscores the importance of preserving these moments for future generations. As we continue our journey into the world of the tawny frogmouth, remember that every sighting, every story adds to the tapestry of knowledge and wonder surrounding these incredible birds. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more captivating tales from the natural world. As we delve deeper into the world of the tawny frogmouth, it becomes evident that this remarkable bird has not only captured the fascination of birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts, but has also woven itself into the cultural fabric of various societies. Throughout history, the tawny frogmouth has been a subject of myths, legends, and folklore, enriching the cultural tapestry of the regions it inhabits. In Indigenous Australian culture, the tawny frogmouth holds significant spiritual meaning. Many Indigenous communities regard the bird as a symbol of protection and wisdom. According to some Aboriginal myths, the tawny frogmouth is believed to be a guardian spirit that watches over the land and its people. Its ability to blend seamlessly into its surroundings is seen as a representation of harmony with nature, a lesson in the importance of balance and coexistence. In another tale, the tawny frogmouth is viewed as a messenger between the physical world and the spiritual realm. Its haunting, low-pitched calls are thought to carry messages from ancestors, guiding and protecting those who listen. This deep connection to the spiritual world highlights the bird's revered status and its integral role in the cultural narratives of Indigenous Australians. Moving beyond Australia, the tawny frogmouth also appears in various forms of literature and art. Its mysterious and nocturnal nature has inspired poets and writers to depict it as a symbol of the unknown and the mystical. In some stories, the bird is portrayed as a wise and enigmatic figure offering guidance and insight to those who seek it. In modern popular culture, the tawny frogmouth has become a beloved character in children's books and educational programs, capturing the imaginations of young audiences. Its unique appearance and intriguing behaviors make it an ideal subject for storytelling, fostering a sense of wonder and curiosity about the natural world. These cultural references and stories not only highlight the tawny frogmouth's enduring allure, but also underscore the importance of preserving its habitat and ensuring its survival. By understanding and appreciating the cultural significance of the tawny frogmouth, we can foster a deeper connection to this remarkable bird and the ecosystems it inhabits. As we conclude our exploration of the tawny frogmouth, remember that every myth, legend, and story adds to the richness of its legacy. Let us continue to cherish and protect this extraordinary bird, ensuring that its cultural and ecological significance endures for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope you leave with a newfound appreciation for the tawny frogmouth and its place in our world. Spotting a tawny frogmouth in the wild can be a thrilling and rewarding experience for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. Given their remarkable ability to blend into their surroundings, it requires patience, keen observation, and a bit of insider knowledge. Here are some tips to help you increase your chances of encountering these elusive birds. Firstly, understanding the tawny frogmouth's habitat is crucial. These birds are commonly found in woodlands, forests, and suburban areas across Australia. Look for them perched on tree branches, particularly those that resemble their mottled grey and brown plumage. Eucalyptus trees are a favourite, as their bark provides excellent camouflage for the frogmouths. Timing is also essential. Tawny frogmouths are nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. However, they can still be spotted during the day, often perched motionless and blending into the tree bark. Early morning or late afternoon, during periods of low light, can be the best times to observe them, as they may be transitioning between their nighttime activities and daytime roosting. When you're out in the field, keep an eye out for their distinctive silhouette. Tawny frogmouths have a unique posture, often sitting very still with their heads tilted upward, resembling broken branches or stumps. This behavior, known as stumping, is a key indicator that you're looking at a frogmouth. Patience and silence are your allies. Move slowly and quietly to avoid startling them. Use binoculars to scan the trees thoroughly, paying close attention to areas where the light is dappled and shadows are cast. These are the spots where their camouflage is most effective. Another tip is to listen for their calls. Tawny frogmouths have a low, resonant call that sounds like a soft oom. This can be particularly helpful during the night when visibility is limited. Learning to recognize their vocalizations can guide you to their location. Lastly, consider joining a local birdwatching group or participating in guided tours. Experienced birdwatchers and guides often have valuable insights and can increase your chances of a successful sighting. They can also educate you on ethical birdwatching practices, ensuring that you observe these magnificent creatures without disturbing their natural behaviors. By following these tips and remaining respectful of their habitat, you can enhance your birdwatching experience and gain a deeper appreciation for the tawny frogmouth. Happy birdwatching, and may your next adventure be filled with memorable sightings of this remarkable bird. As we delve deeper into the world of the tawny frogmouth, it's fascinating to explore the scientific research being conducted on these enigmatic birds. Recent discoveries and ongoing studies are expanding our understanding of this species in remarkable ways. Researchers have been particularly interested in the tawny frogmouth's unique camouflage abilities. Studies using advanced imaging techniques have revealed that their plumage not only mimics the appearance of tree bark, but also reflects light in a way that makes them nearly invisible to both predators and prey. This cryptic coloration is a subject of ongoing investigation, with scientists aiming to understand the genetic and evolutionary mechanisms behind it. Another area of research focuses on their nocturnal behavior and hunting techniques. By using night vision cameras and tracking devices, scientists have been able to observe the tawny frogmouth's hunting strategies in detail. These studies have shown that they employ a sit-and-wait approach, remaining motionless until unsuspecting prey comes within striking distance. This efficient hunting method is being analyzed to understand how it contributes to their survival and reproductive success. In addition to behavioral studies, there is growing interest in the tawny frogmouth's role in the ecosystem. Researchers are investigating their impact on insect populations as these birds consume large quantities of insects and other small invertebrates. Understanding their dietary habits and ecological interactions helps to paint a broader picture of their importance in maintaining the balance of their natural habitats. Recent genetic studies have also provided new insights into the tawny frogmouth's evolutionary history. By comparing their DNA with that of other bird species, scientists are uncovering the evolutionary pathways that have led to their unique adaptations. These genetic analyses are shedding light on how the tawny frogmouth has evolved to thrive in diverse environments across Australia. Ongoing conservation research is another critical aspect of scientific efforts. Studies are being conducted to assess the impact of habitat loss, climate change, and human activities on tawny frogmouth populations. Conservationists are using this data to develop strategies aimed at protecting and preserving these birds for future generations. The more we learn about the tawny frogmouth, the more we appreciate the complexity and beauty of this species. Scientific research continues to unlock the mysteries of their behavior, ecology, and evolution, contributing to our broader understanding of the natural world. As we look to the future, these discoveries will play a crucial role in ensuring the conservation and protection of the tawny frogmouth and their habitats. As we conclude our journey into the world of the tawny frogmouth, it's clear that this remarkable bird holds a special place in the tapestry of Australia's wildlife. From their masterful camouflage and nocturnal hunting techniques to their vital role in the ecosystem, the tawny frogmouth is a testament to nature's ingenuity and adaptability. We have explored their unique plumage, which not only blends seamlessly with tree bark, but also reflects light to remain nearly invisible. We've delved into their nocturnal habits, observing their patient sit-and-wait approach to hunting, a strategy that ensures their survival in the wild. We've also examined their impact on insect populations, showcasing their importance in maintaining ecological balance. Scientific research has illuminated the evolutionary pathways that have shaped the tawny frogmouth's distinctive characteristics, and ongoing conservation efforts are crucial for their future. These studies remind us of the delicate balance within our ecosystems and the need to protect and preserve such incredible species. The tawny frogmouth story is one of mystery, beauty, and survival. It captivates our imagination and deepens our appreciation for the natural world. As we continue to learn more about these enigmatic birds, let us carry forward a sense of wonder and a commitment to safeguarding their habitats for generations to come. Thank you for joining us in uncovering the secrets of the tawny frogmouth. Until next time, may the allure of the natural world continue to inspire and amaze you.